So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and play through it. And then I think what I'll do is I'm going to play whole notes for part of it. And then when it gets a little bit more active, I'll do quarter notes. Okay, so here we go. All right, so there you go. So I showed you a little bit in the middle there, a couple varieties of how you could play that middle piece in there. It just gets a little bit more active in there, so you might want to you know make yourself a little more active. But if not, if you play that same thing all the way through, then that's fine. We're working on rhythm, really focusing on being dead on rhythm. That's really all we're worried about right now. And most of all, this is we've been working on some of this stuff. We're applying it now, so we want to have fun and play along with a tune, and that's what this is all about. Don't ever forget that it's all about music. Playing and enjoying music, not scale exercises and learning 10 million chords and all that other stuff. It helps. All of that definitely helps you become a better musician, but never ever forget, and a lot of people do, that we're doing this to be able to play and enjoy music. So, anyways, there you go. You have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, yeah. Actually, I think, yeah, this is it. You finished the course. All right, I'll probably do a little outro thing, but yeah, awesome. Have fun. And if you have any questions or anything, yeah, definitely let me know.